Are you feeling frustrated because you cannot get the hang of pronouncing the French R? I am going to give you quick and easy tips for you to nail the pronunciation of the infamous French R. And stay tuned until the end where I'm going to share with you what actually happens with the French R in spoken French. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about French pronunciation, French grammar, spoken French, conversations, and learning strategies. And full disclosure, this channel is for beginners or people that really struggle to learn French and want to achieve speaking French with confidence. Hey guys, I am Lexi, I'm a French teacher, and as my student Jules says, the difference in learning with me is that I teach you how to pronounce and to link words as native speakers do. So the French R sound has this sound. It can be written in three different ways. It can be written R, as in ri. It can be written double R, as in terre. And it can be written RH, as in rhume. All those three spellings, they have exactly the same pronunciation. So you can see that one R or double R doesn't affect the pronunciation. There are two cases where we do not pronounce the R. First, masculine nouns ending in ER, such as le cahier, le pommier. Also, many masculine nouns that refer to profession, such as boulanger, charcutier, poissonnier. And the second case is we do not pronounce the final R of the infinitive of the verbs ending in ER, such as manger, chanter, parler. Let's talk about how to make the sound. The French R is not made with your tongue going up. Your tongue is flat and it's down inside your mouth. It's not moving. You are going to push your tongue against your lower teeth. The French R sound comes from the back of your mouth. To pronounce it correctly, you need to force air through your throat and make your uvula move a bit. The uvula, is a little thing hanging at the back of your throat. It will make a little bit of vibration. What I mean is, if you touch your throat, you will feel a bit of vibration. The R sound is a continuous sound. You can hear the air going out of my throat and my mouth continuously. First, let's warm up those muscles and make you feel where the sound is coming from. The easiest way to feel it is to gargle with water. You will feel your uvula move a bit. Now that you felt this little vibration, we're gonna try exactly the same without the water. One of the biggest mistakes students do is to overdo the sound, to overemphasize it. The French R is not a it is more subtle and delicate. It is very similar to the English H. The French R is a relaxed sound, so try to relax your neck and relax your shoulder. To pronounce it, we are going to force air through our throat and then mouth. As you force air through your throat, you are going to put the base of your tongue slightly up to block the amount of air going through your mouth. This will make those little vibrations. If you struggle to remember that you need to keep your tongue down inside your mouth and against your bottom teeth, you can use a pen that way. And if those tips are helping you, please hit that like button right now. Now let's practice with some vowel sounds. Repeat after me and try to repeat out loud. Ra, ra, ri, ri, rue, rue, roue, roue, robe, robe, rat, riz, rue, roue, robe. And now let's move the R around inside the words. Art, art, arrive, arrive, rive, rive, art, arrive, rive, corps, corps, chorale, chorale, râle, râle, corps, chorale, râle. And now let's practice the R sound in the consonant clusters. What makes them so difficult is because first you have a consonant and then you have the R sound. Most of the consonants in French are pronounced at the front of the mouth, and the R sound is pronounced at the back of your mouth. So it is like you are working backward. So first you pronounce one sound here, and then you need to go back to your throat to pronounce the second sound. That is the reason why it makes it so difficult, but don't worry, I have a little trick for you. Let's start with the easiest one and then we will finish with the most difficult ones. Gr, gr. Like I told you, I have a little trick. So here you have two sounds. First you have the sound G, and then you have the sound R. Let's make the sound one after each other. G, 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 R, R, R. G, R, G, R, gr, gr. Grammaire, grammaire, cr, cr. Again with a trick. Que, r, que, r, cr, cr. Croire, croire. And then dr, dr, drôle, drôle, tr, tr, travail, travail, br, br. This one is quite a difficult one because the B is really pronounced here and then the R at the back of the mouth. So let's try the trick again. B, 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 R, 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 B, R, B, R, br, br, Brésil, Brésil, fr, fr, fraise, fraise, pr, pr, prison, prison, vr, vr, vrai, vrai, grammaire, croire, drôle, travail, Brésil, fraise, prison, vrai. Still struggling with the R sound or with the consonant clusters? Well, the good news is that in spoken French, we do not always pronounce the R sound. What I mean with spoken French, I mean informal situation, colloquial. If the consonant cluster is at the end of a word, final position, and the final letter is a letter I that have a E sound. Many times it is not pronounced. I am not saying that for you to talk that way. I am saying that for you to understand native speakers. Let me show you some examples. Peut-être, 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 à votre santé, à votre santé, à votre santé, à votre santé, je vais prendre un bain. 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 Je bois 4 litres d'eau par jour. 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 Parce que. Parce que. Parce que. Parce que. If you are struggling to learn French pronunciation on your own, I would love to help. Below this video, you will find the link to my calendar, and I will be very happy to hop on a call with you and see how I can help you. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and check this video next. You can also find the link to the video in the description down below. Je vous souhaite une excellente journée ou un très bon après-midi ou une bonne soirée.